Look, there's so much mud. We definitely can't drive up.
I'm not confident in you guys.
My two brothers also said they didn't have confidence. I'm really worried.
I'm absolutely confident in the snow chains, but not so much in my driving skills. This time, we'll count on calmness, big brother.
Then let's test the grip on such a slope with this level of mud.
The reputation of these snow chains is in your hands. Anyway, we're here for a real life test today. He doesn't have snow chains on right now. Let's see if he can drive up. See that? It slid down halfway while staying in place. All the locks are open. See, it's sliding down again. Guys, look, it's sliding down again. He stepped on the accelerator with all his strength. Really, with all his strength. Wait for me. This is a make or outbreak attempt. Here I go. That should be fine. Right. Just don't turn the steering wheel randomly. I'm so stressed out. My heart is pounding.
You must trust the EDC snow chains.
It's a breeze.
Guys, we made it. I'm up here.
Landed safely.